exponent and logarithmic functions. Let us consider m cube as 5. This is the exponent form. The base is m here. This is called the base. And 3 is the exponent. 3 is the exponent. And the answer is 5. Here, this can be converted into, that is, this exponent form can be converted into log 5 to the base m. That is, this base in the exponent form is retained as the base in the logarithm. And the answer here is taken in this place. And the exponent 3 is the answer of the logarithmic function log 5 to the base m is equal to 3. So this is called logarithmic form. So you should be able to convert the exponent form into logarithmic form and vice versa. Let us consider another example. So here log 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. This is the logarithmic form. Now we need to convert this into exponent form. So 4 is the base, you can write the base here, and here 2, that acts as the exponent form. So that is the power term. Now 4 squared is equal to 16. So you should be able to convert this exponent form again into logarithmic form. Let us consider this simple example. Log x is equal to, that is, to the base 3 is equal to 7. So this can be converted into the exponent form and thereby we can find out the solution. Let us consider this log x to the base 3. So retain this base 3 here and 7 as such. So this 7 can be brought here. So 3 power 7 is equal to x. Now if 3 power 7 is equal to x, we can find out the value of 3 power 7. So you can split this into 3 cube and 3. Therefore 3 cubes are 27. So 27 into 27, that gives 729, again multiplied by 3. So the answer is 2187. Are you able to follow this? Right. Next one. Let us consider log 2 to the base 10. We know the value of log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010. So log 2 to the base 10 means, let us have this base, and this is the base in exponent form, and 0.3010. Are able to follow? 3010. That should be taken here. Okay, therefore now let me explain once again. Log 2 to the base 10 is equal to 0.3010. Now this is the base 10 and put the term here 0.3010, that is equal to 10. So this is the exponent form. Now let me explain. We know already 10 squared is equal to 100. That is nothing but 10 into 10. Is it not? Then 10 power 1 is equal to 10. That we know. But 10 power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Now let us further come down. 10 power 0.5, which is nothing but 10 power half. That is root 10. So in the previous cases, that is how many times the 10 should be multiplied so that we can get 100. It means 2 times you have to multiply, we can get 100. If you take 1 time 10, if you take 0 time 1, If you take 3 times 1000, if you take 4 times 10,000, likewise it goes. But here, when it comes down, that is less than 0, instead of less than 0, that is when it is a fraction, okay, that is less than 1. So when it is less than 1, it becomes a 10 power 1 by 2. That is, let us have a scale like this. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So in this case, this is 10 power 0. That is equal to 1. So when it comes here, let me say that is exactly 1 by 2. It means a 10 power half. Okay. So if it is 10 power half, which is nothing but 0.5, that is 10 power 0.5, that can be taken as square root of 10. Right? Now, you look at this. In this case, what can be taken as a root so that we can get the result as 10? For example, 10 cube 3 times, so that you are able to get 1000. 10 square, 10 into 10, 10, 10 power 0, 1, 10 power 0.5 means 10 power 1 by 2, which is nothing but root 10. But what about this? 10 power 0.3333, 3 bar. So that is nothing but 10 power 1 by 3. It means cube root of 10. So you have to find out the number so that when it is multiplied 3 times, you can get 10. That is the meaning. For example, 10 power 10 raised to power 0.25 means 10 power 1 by 4, is it not? So fourth root of 10, what does it indicate? That is, it is the number which can be multiplied by 4 times, so that you can get 10. So this is the way you should be able to understand. Okay, right. Now let us proceed. Let us consider 16 square. We know very well 16 squared is equal to 16 into 16, that is 256. 16 cube means 16 into 16 into 16, it goes 16 power n. So 16 into 16 into 16, n times. Then 16 power n minus 1 means what? We can apply the formula here. That is 10 power, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So we can indicate this one. Okay. So in that case, we can apply 16 power n minus 1 is nothing but, that is 16 power n divided by 16 power 1. So we have applied this quotient formula of radicals, and therefore when you got this number, which is nothing but 16 power n times divided by 16, and 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. 16 power half is nothing but square root of 16, that is nothing but 4 plus or minus 4. 16 power 1 by 3 is nothing but the cube root of 16. Okay, you can further factorize and get it. And similarly, 16 power 0.5 means 16 power 1 by 2, that is nothing but square root 2. Okay. Let us consider this problem, that is evaluation of log 64 to the base 2. So log 64 to the base 2 can be taken as x, and 2 power x, this is the base. So this is the base in the exponent form, and x can be written here. So 2 power x is equal to 64. Therefore 2 power x is equal to, this 64 can be factorized so that you are able to get 2 power 6 times. So 2 power x is equal to 6. Now the base is equal, therefore the exponent forms should be equal, so x is equal to 6. Got it? Evaluate log of 5 to the base 125. When you write the logarithm, you must always leave a space like this and put the base here. So this is 125. Okay, and you should also understand that when I put log simply as such, for example log 3, it is understood that log 3 to the base 10. When I write natural log, I can put simply log 4. It means log 4 to the base e. okay, to the base e. Right. Now, here evaluate this much, that is log 5 to the base 125. So put x, and 125 is the base, you can write here, and power x, okay, this x can be brought here. Now that is equal to 5, and 125 is the bigger number, so that can be factorized so that you are able to get 5 cube of x, 5 cube power x. You can apply this formula, that is power rule of radical, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 5 power 3 of 5x power x is equal to 5 power 3 into x, that is 3x, that is equal to 5. You can put 5 power 1. Therefore 3x, you can compare the base, okay. So 3x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 3. So we have evaluated the x. Next, evaluate log 1 by 27 to the base 3. So log 1 by 27 to the base 3, that is equal to x. So 3 power x is equal to 1 by 27. So 27 is the bigger number, that can be factorized, so that becomes 3 cube. So you can put 1 by 27 means 1 by 3 cube, which is nothing but you can apply the inverse operations, okay, 1 by a power m, okay, that is equal to a power minus m. So in this case 1 by 3 cube is equal to 3 power minus 3. So 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 3 means x is equal to minus 3, right? Now let us move to the next sum. In fact, Adrian Willac, he is a Dutch mathematician. He has developed a wonderful table of, he has published this table with 1 to almost 100,000 numbers as log table. Now, log 32 is equal to log 2 power 5. So log 2 power 5 means now this 5 can be brought power by adopting power rule. Log m power n is equal to n into log power m. This n becomes the coefficient of logarithmic term. So 5 into log 2 and 5 into 0.3010, that is log 32. So with the known value we can find out the log table, okay, find out the unknown value of logarithmic values, and in fact a table has been already arranged, organized by Dutch mathematician. So you can also do that. In your Klux table almost up to 100 or 99 you would have got those values, right? Log 3x plus 5 to the base 2. So this is another question. So here that is equal to 4. We need to find out x. So we can put 2 power 4. So this is the base, power 4. So 2 power 4. You can bring this to this RHS. So 2 power 4 is equal to 3x plus 5. So 16. 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times. So 16 is equal to 3x plus 5. And 3x is equal to 16 minus 5, that is 11. So x is equal to 11 by 3. And similarly you can proceed with the next sum, that is log x is equal to minus 2. So log x, in fact what is x, and using 10 as the base. So you can put x to the base 10. So 10 power minus 2 is equal to x. So this 10 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 10 square, that is equal to x, which is nothing but 1 by 100. Okay. I hope you should have enjoyed this video lecture, and by practicing more number of problems you can get expertized in the logarithmic functions. Thank you very much.